Forget those boring indicators we've seen a million times. We're diving into something that can actually put some serious cash in your pocket. Volatility Gaussian bands. Think of them like this. They're your secret weapon for spotting when the market's about to go wild. Forget guessing. This gives you a visual roadmap of where the action's gonna be. We're here to make actual money. We're doing it the easiest way possible. Alright, let's get down to business. First things first, you wanna get your chart open, right? It's right there in front of you. Now look at the top of your screen. You'll see a button that says indicators. That's your magic button, so click it. Boom, a search bar pops up. Now type in volatility Gaussian bands. Just pick this one. Now if you want to get a little fancy, you can totally customize these bad boys. See the little gear icon next to the indicator's name? Click on that. That's where you can play around with the settings. First up, you're gonna head into the input section of the indicator settings. You see the length option. We're gonna change that. We're gonna drop that down to 14. Why 14? Because that's the sweet spot, the magic number. It smooths out the noise and gives us those cleaner, more reliable signals. Next, you'll see the type settings. Leave that exactly where it is on average. We don't need to mess with that. It's done its job. Now, this is where things get interesting. Look at the distance option. We're gonna change that to 1.2. And here's the kicker. You see the retest signals checkbox. Leave that unchecked. We don't want those extra signals cluttering our chart. We're going for clean, precise signals, not a bunch of noise. And that's it. No other changes needed. We just dialed in the settings to give us the clearest, most actionable signals possible. It's like we just upgraded our trading setup from a rusty old bike to high-performance race car. You've got those volatility Gaussian bands dialed in, but here's the thing. We're not just gonna jump into trades based on one indicator alone. That's a rookie mistake. And we're playing the pro game. You know that saying, trust but verify. That's exactly what we're doing here. We need confirmation. We need to know that the signal we're saying are legit, that they're not just some random blip on the chart. We want a solid high win rate strategy, and that means we need to double check our move. So what's our confirmation tool? We're using the Bollinger Bands breakout oscillator. Yeah, it's a mouthful, but trust me, it's a game changer. This thing is gonna help us filter out those noise and identify those high probability setups. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I get it on my chart? Easy peasy. Just like before, we're gonna hit that indicators button at the top of the trading view. And in the search bar, search for Bollinger Bands breakouts oscillator. You'll see it pop up. So click on it and boom, it's on your chart. This oscillator is gonna give us the extra layer of confidence we need. It's gonna tell us where a breakout is actually happening and not just a fake out. It's like having a second pair of eyes on the market, making sure we're not getting tricked. Alright traders, let's dial in this Bollinger Bands breakout oscillator. Quick, big impact. Imports, bump that length to 20. Smoother signals, trust me. Colors, green for bullish and red for bearish. Make it super clear. Style tab, thicken those lines, make them pop. We need to see those signals at a glance, not squinting. Alright traders, let's get down to brass tacks. How do we actually make some money with this setup? You've got the volatility Gaussian bands and you've got the Bollinger Bands breakout oscillator. Now, let's put them to work. Here's the deal. You see a sell signal from those Gaussian bands, right? Great, but hold your horses. We need that confirmation. We're not just jumping in blind. Look at the Bollinger Band oscillator. Is it flashing red? If it is, boom. That's your green light. Red oscillator means bearish momentum, which means that sell signal is legit. That's your cue to short the market, ride the wave down. Now let's talk risk. Just so that the opposite volatility Gaussian band. It's like having a built-in safety net. And for your profit target, we're aiming for a solid 2x the risk. Keep it simple and keep it consistent. Now, let's look at another example. You'll see a buy signal from the Gaussian bands. But the Bollinger Band is still red. No, that's a hard pass. We're not chasing false signals. That red oscillator is telling us the bearish momentum is still in control. So we're staying out of the trade. You gotta be disciplined, folks. Then, another sell signal shows up. And this time, the oscillator is still red. Perfect. That's a confirmed sell signal. The momentum lines up and we're jumping in. Alright traders, let's zero in on those bullish setups. You see those buy signals popping up on the chart right now? Here's where the real power kicks in. We're in a bullish market, meaning the momentum is on the upswing. That means we're only looking for buy trades. And to confirm those buy trades, we're using our trusty Bollinger Band breakout oscillator. When the oscillator flashes green, it's like a neon sign telling us go long. This is your moment. Now here's where it gets really cool. During this bullish run, you're gonna see sell signals appear, but guess what? We're ignoring them. Why? Because the oscillator is still green, telling us the bullish momentum is strong. Those sell signals, they're getting rejected, plain and simple. And here's the kicker. You'll notice the accuracy of those confirmed buy trades is perfect. Every time the oscillator confirms a buy signal, it's hitting those targets. We're talking precision, folks. We're talking consonant wins.